Hello, my friends. We are here again for Mathematics Olympiad class. So we go straight to our questions. Question number 1. Simplify 6 raised to power 12 divided by 12 raised to power 6. So in order to simplify this 6 raised to power 12 over 12 raised to power 6, we need to make use of the law of exponent that states that if x raised to power a times x raised to power b, that is, if we have x raised to power a times x raised to power b, it will equal to x raised to power a plus b. That is, the law states that since they have the same base x, we take one of the bases x, then we add the power. Since we have multiplication sign in between them, the multiplication sign we change to addition, so we add it as in when you are adding the power, rather when you are dealing with the power. So we add the power together. So we have x raised to power a times x raised to power b equals x raised to power a plus b. So if you make use of that law now to simplify 6 raised to power 12, so we have 6 raised to power 6 times 6 raised to power 6. So if we simplify 6 raised to power 6 times 6 raised to power 6, it will give us 6 raised to power 6 plus 6 plus 6. That is 6 raised to power 6 plus 6. That is, the law says we should take one of the bases, so we take the 6, then the power 6 and the other power 6, we add them together, changing the multiplication to addition. So we have 6 raised to power 6 plus 6, which will now give us 6 raised to power 12. So what we are saying here is that 6 raised to power 12 is the same thing as 6 raised to power 6 times 6 raised to power 6. That is 6 raised to power 6 times 6 raised to power 6 equals 6 raised to power 12. So we are plugging in 6 raised to power 6 times 6 raised to power 6 to replace 6 raised to power 12. Then we simplify 12 raised to power 6 as well. 12 raised to power 6. 12 is 2 times 6. That's 12. So we simplify that 12 to 2 times 6. Then raise all raised to power 6. So we now have 6 raised to power 6 times 6 raised to power 6 all over open bracket 2 times 6 close bracket raised to power 6. So from there we can still simplify it further. The 6 raised to power 6 times 6 raised to power 6, we have already separated those two, but we can separate the denominator as well. So if we separate the denominator, that is 2 times 6 in bracket raised to power 6, we want to separate that. That will give us 2 raised to power 6 times 6 raised to power 6. 2 raised to, that is, the law says if you have a b in bracket raised to power 3 or raised to power y, then you have a raised to power y times b raised to power y. So if you make use of that law, which means 2 times 6 into bracket raised to power 6 is equal to 2 raised to power 6 times 6 raised to power 6. So we now have 6 raised to power 6 times 6 raised to power 6 all divided by all over 2 raised to power 6 times 6 raised to power 6. Now we can still solve this further. 6 raised to power 6, we cancel out 6 raised to power 6. So we have 6 raised to power 6 over 2 raised to power 6 left. So we can still simplify the basics of 6 raised to power 6 to 2 times 3. So that will now give us 2 times 3 into bracket raised to power 6, which is the same thing as 6 raised to power 6. So 2 times 3 into bracket raised to power 6 all over 2 raised to power 6. So we can still separate the 2 times 3 raised to power 6 using that law that we talked about the other time, that if you have a b into bracket raised to power y, then it simply means a raised to power y times b raised to power y. So if we have 2 times 3 raised to power 6, 2 times 3 into bracket raised to power 6, it means 2 raised to power 6 times 2 raised to power 6 all over 2 raised to power 6. So with this now, we have 2 raised to power 6 that will cancel out the denominator 2 raised to power 6. The 2 raised to power 6 as numerator will cancel out the denominator 2 raised to power 6. So we have 3 raised to power 6 left. So if you, that is 3 raised to power 6 is 3 in 6 places. So if you multiply that, you get 729. So our final answer is equal to 3 raised to power 6 or 729. That's our final answer. So for our next class, we consider the following exercises. Number 1, simplify 2 raised to power 101 minus 2 raised to power 100. Number 2, if 5 equals r plus 2p over p, what is the value of p over r? So thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to click the notification button for more of these videos, and then to click the subscription and like button, and to share the videos with your friend, the link with your friends. Thank you very much. Till meet next class.